That's what. Oh my God!
Hey everyone. Today we're diving into some of the most intense real-life road incidents. From reckless drivers causing devastating crashes to out-of-control trucks leading to chaotic collisions. We'll also explore the importance of following traffic rules and share essential tips to stay safe on the road. Let's get started.
That's what. Oh my God!
Really? Idiot mother. There we go. God damn it. God damn. Not okay. Mother turkey.
A crash has been detected. Honda Link Assist will call emergency service.
Video protected.
He's airing it out. It's going to be long. No! No! Touchdown Western.
What the fuck? Wow. Wow. You got the... Wow. You got this on dash cam. Alright. Ooh!
Where are we? Oh my god.
That's stupid. Oh my god!
But it is crazy. Like, he had one hand on the... What the... Oh my god!
What happened, babe?
Ah! Oh my god, what is he do? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh, shit. I don't know.
Babe.
I got into an accident. Oh my god. Oh my god,
Where are
babe.
you?
I'm on the Bell Parkway. This guy just reversed into me. What the hell is going on?
Reversed into you?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, I'm shaking.
My god. Babe.
Yeah.
Just stay there. Oh my god.
Fuck, oh my god.
Where on the Bell Parkway?
Oh, holy shit. You know, after that turn?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my
Babe,
god.
it's okay.
Alright, hold on. Hold on, okay? Fuck. What happened? Hold on, babe. Oh, fuck. Wait.
Back off! Damn it! Got enough!
Folks, my car broke down. Folks, my car broke down. Look.
Vamos a la calle de cine.
Oh my god. Stop.
أنا أحب ضروري.
باين هموت يا أخي أنا مش حاسبين.
زبرة جبلة.
بلا هموت.
Thank you all for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. We're committed to bringing you more high-quality and engaging videos. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.